Goodbye tingling hands, weak legs. These 5 collagen-rich fruits you must eat after 60. As we get older, the collagen inside our nerves and muscles thins out faster than most people realize, and when that support weakens, everyday warning signs start creeping in. Tingling hands when you hold your phone, legs that feel unsteady when you first stand up, or that strange pins and needles sensation at night, these are not random aging quirks. They're often the early signs of nerve fibers losing their protective cushioning. And according to the CDC, over 20 million Americans live with some form of nerve damage that began with symptoms just like these. The risk grows quietly, but the solution becomes much easier the moment you understand what your body is missing. Including the fruits that can help your collagen network rebuild from the inside out, and if you've been feeling even one of those signs, I'm here to give you the most practical, senior-friendly, optimized solutions, starting with the exact 5 collagen-supporting fruits your body responds to the fastest after 60, so if this topic already speaks to you, hit that notification bell so you never miss another video that protects your strength, your mobility, and your independence. Now, let's dive in and uncover the 5 fruits that can genuinely help your hands and legs feel alive again. 1. Oranges. Tangerines. Most people think oranges and tangerines are just simple breakfast fruits, but once you cross 60, they become something far more powerful, almost like a switch that wakes up the tiny blood vessels in your hands and feet. Those vessels rely heavily on collagen to stay elastic, yet collagen naturally declines every decade after 40. You feel that decline before you ever see it, the subtle morning tingling in your fingers when you reach for your glasses, the strange pins dancing across your toes after sitting too long, or the moment your grip feels a little less certain than it used to. These are early signs that collagen in those microvessels is thinning. And circulation is no longer flowing the way your nerves expect. Oranges and tangerines contain a trio that is rare in fruits: ascorbic acid, hesperidin, and rutin. Together they behave like reinforcement beams that help your collagen rebuild itself. And what makes citrus extraordinary is that hesperidin doesn't just sit there, it enhances the body's ability to pull vitamin C directly into the bloodstream. According to data from the National Institutes of Health, seniors who consume natural vitamin C sources show measurably stronger collagen synthesis rates than those who rely on supplements alone. That difference matters deeply when your hands fall asleep more often or when standing up sends a brief electric buzz down your calves. What truly surprises many older adults is how fast citrus works when used correctly. If you eat half a cup of peeled orange segments first thing in the morning, before coffee, before toast, your body absorbs the ascorbic acid more efficiently, and the warming sensation in your fingers often improves within days. Another tip, slightly unusual but extremely effective, is keeping about 1 teaspoon of the white pith when peeling. Most people throw it away, yet that layer holds some of the highest flavonoid concentrations, the very compounds that shield collagen from oxidative wear, and here's where it gets deeply personal for anyone over 60. Your nerves can't fire properly when the microvessels supplying them are stiff or narrowed. Citrus fruits soften those vessels. They restore flexibility. They help the collagen lining them behave the way it did when you were younger. Over time, that means your hands warm up faster, your feet stop prickling when you stand, and your legs feel more secure beneath you. There's nothing dramatic about eating an orange, but there is something incredibly powerful about what it does inside your body, especially at an age where every bit of restored circulation gives you back a little more confidence in your own movement. 2. Strawberries. Strawberries are often treated like a sweet snack, but for someone past 60 dealing with tingling fingers or legs that fatigue too quickly, they become a strategic food. The bright red color of strawberries comes from pelargonidin, a compound that supports the collagen surrounding peripheral nerves. When those nerves lose collagen support, their signals weaken, and you feel it in real ways: difficulty picking up small items, hands that buzz after holding a cold bottle, or calves that feel strangely heavy after only a short walk. What makes strawberries exceptional is their density of antioxidants per ounce. Beyond vitamin C, they contain ellagic acid, which helps tame the oxidative stress that silently stiffens blood vessels with age. When blood flow slows, your legs lose power, not because the muscles disappear overnight but because the nerves can't communicate efficiently. This is why research from the American Heart Association shows that older adults who eat berries frequently have more resilient blood vessel function, helping them maintain better control of lower body strength. That resilience is exactly what aging legs and tingling hands have been begging for, but there's an overlooked advantage of strawberries: frozen ones often work even better. When berries are frozen, tiny crystals break some of the cell walls, making their antioxidants easier for older digestive systems to absorb. If you use 3/4 cup of frozen strawberries, you're giving your body a form of these compounds that's almost pre-unlocked. And if you mix them with 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt, the small amount of fat helps your body process pelargonidin more thoroughly, creating a smoother, steadier improvement in nerve comfort. The biggest transformation many seniors notice is not just less tingling, but better tactile control. Your fingers feel more present, more responsive. This happens because strawberries help preserve the collagen that cushions the nerve fibers in your wrists and ankles. Without that cushioning, nerves become irritated easily. With it, they calm down, fire correctly, and stop sending those annoying random jolts. Strawberries don't act like a quick fix, they act like a restorer. They supply your nerves and your microvessels with exactly what they need to stay flexible. And that flexibility shows up in small but powerful ways. You can button your shirt faster, climb a flight of stairs without that dull ache in the shins, and grip a water bottle without your fingers tingling afterward. The moment you realize these little improvements add up is the moment strawberries stop being a treat and become one of the smartest fruits you can bring into your kitchen. 3. Kiwi. Kiwi is one of the most overlooked collagen fruits for older adults, even though it holds a secret that very few people know. Its natural enzyme called actinidin helps your aging digestive system absorb protein more efficiently. This matters far more than most seniors realize. Collagen is built from amino acids, and if you're not absorbing protein well, your body simply can't rebuild the collagen lining your nerves or supporting your leg strength. That's why many people over 60 who swear they eat enough protein still feel their legs weaken on stairs, or notice their hands tingle after holding a phone for just a few minutes. Kiwi delivers a second advantage through lutein, which helps calm oxidative stress in nerve tissues. As you age, those tissues become more fragile, and their tiny collagen sheaths thin out. You begin noticing signs like soles that heat up or sting for no reason, or fingers that feel numb when waking up. Kiwi works on both fronts, helping your body build collagen and helping protect the nerves that rely on it. The potency of kiwi surprises many seniors. According to data from the U.S. Department of Agriculture, kiwi provides a higher concentration of vitamin C per gram than oranges, meaning it activates collagen production at an even faster rate. This means the small improvements, warmer toes, steadier grip, less buzzing in the hands, can appear sooner than with most fruits. But kiwi has a third benefit that's especially valuable after 60, it naturally improves sleep quality when eaten at night. Collagen formation peaks while you sleep, and if your sleep is shallow, your collagen repair stays shallow too. Eating 1 medium kiwi, about 130 g, roughly 45 minutes before bed helps many older adults fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, creating the perfect window for collagen to rebuild nerve sheaths and microvessels. Another underestimated detail is the tiny black seeds. Many older adults avoid them, not realizing they hold natural vitamin E, one of the strongest protectors of collagen. Eating the seeds along with the fruit enhances its overall effect and helps keep nerves from becoming irritated by oxidative stress. When kiwi becomes a nightly habit, aging nerves get the one thing they're often deprived of: steady nourishment plus deep recovery time. Over weeks, this shows up as less tingling when you wake up, legs that feel more dependable on uneven surfaces, and a sense of control returning to your hands. For many seniors, kiwi is the quiet but powerful fruit that gives them back a layer of stability they thought age had permanently taken. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries may look small and simple, but for adults over 60 dealing with weak legs or tingling hands, they behave almost like a shield for collagen. The deep blue-purple color comes from anthocyanins, compounds unique in their ability to reach the smallest blood vessels surrounding nerves. Those vessels, barely the width of a hair, are among the first places where aging collagen starts to weaken. And you feel it, the shaky feeling when standing too fast, the moment your toes tingle for a few seconds before settling, or the sudden stiffness in your calves after a short walk. Blueberries step in at the exact point where nerves and blood vessels struggle the most. They help keep vessel walls flexible so blood can reach your lower legs without resistance. They calm inflammation around nerve endings, which reduces the buzzing and prickling sensations many seniors experience daily. The effect is so significant that the U.S. National Institute on Aging reports older adults who consume anthocyanins regularly show stronger mobility and better lower body control compared to those who rarely eat them, and there's a practical trick that amplifies their effect. If you combine half a cup of blueberries with 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon, the polyphenol become more stable during digestion, allowing more of them to reach nerve tissues. This tiny amount of cinnamon is enough, any more is unnecessary. Many older adults notice better morning comfort in their hands after just a week or two of using this combination. Another tip is choosing the smaller wild blueberries commonly sold in U.S. grocery stores. The smaller the berry, the more concentrated the anthocyanins. That means each handful delivers a stronger collagen protective effect, which can help legs stay energized longer and prevent that sudden heaviness many seniors feel halfway through the day. Blueberries also reduce a type of silent inflammation that erodes collagen in nerve sheaths. When this inflammation calms down, the nerves stop overreacting to mild pressure or temperature changes. Practically, this means your hands won't tingle every time you hold a cold cup, and your legs won't feel drained after a simple walk to the mailbox. Over time, blueberries help restore a sense of reliability in your own body. Your steps feel stronger. Your fingers behave more predictably. And the quiet discomforts, small tingles, small zaps, small moments of weakness, begin to fade. It doesn't happen overnight, but the shift is real and consistent. For many seniors, blueberries become a daily habit not because they're trendy, but because they make living in your own body feel easier, steadier, and more secure. 5. Papaya. When you're over 60, there's a moment when tingling hands or weak, shaky legs stop feeling like little annoyances and start feeling like warnings, quiet signals that something inside your tissues is drying out, thinning, or losing resilience. And that's exactly where papaya steps in with a kind of power most seniors don't realize they've been missing. You might think of papaya as a vacation fruit, the thing you see in hotel buffets in Florida or Hawaii, but what makes it extraordinary for your joints, nerves, and collagen network is something far stronger than sweetness. Its unusually high concentration of active enzymes that behave almost like a cleanup crew for your connective tissues. Many seniors don't know that the numbness in their hands or the sudden buckling in their knees can come from microscopic inflammation sitting between nerve fibers, tiny pockets of waste proteins that build up over the years. Papaya's enzyme papain doesn't just pass through your body, it dismantles those stubborn protein fragments so the body can replace them with stronger, fresher collagen. That's why people who eat papaya regularly feel a kind of smoothness return to their movements, especially in the morning when stiffness is loudest. And there's real evidence behind this. According to the Food and Nutrition Research Institute, papaya contains one of the highest natural concentrations of bioactive carotenoids measured in tropical fruits, an antioxidant group that directly shields collagen from oxidative fraying. A process that often triggers nerve tingling long before someone notices actual weakness. You feel this protection most clearly in two early symptoms. First, that strange sensation like static electricity running across your fingertips when you hold a mug. Second, the moment your thighs feel shaky when you stand up after sitting too long. These aren't random aging quirks, they're signs that collagen support inside the nerve sheaths and leg muscles is thinning. What makes papaya remarkable is how quickly it begins shifting that internal environment. Within days of consistent intake, many older adults notice their hands warming up faster, a sign that circulation and nerve conduction are moving more smoothly. But the secret advantage, the one very few people over 60 know, is that papaya becomes dramatically more effective when eaten with a squeeze of fresh lime. Just 2 teaspoons of lime juice activate papaya's enzymes and increase carotenoid uptake, giving your tissues a stronger surge of collagen protection than papaya alone. And if you want it to work even faster, there's a trick chefs in the American Southwest quietly rely on: let the papaya sit out on the counter for 18 minutes after cutting it. That brief rest softens the cell walls and increases the release of papain, which means your body absorbs more of the compounds that relieve tingling and muscle fatigue. And here's something even more practical for your daily routine: if mornings are your hardest time, the hours when your legs wobble the most. Mix half a cup of ripe papaya into your breakfast instead of eating it later in the day. Seniors often underestimate how much collagen synthesis happens early in the morning, and giving your body these active compounds right as your tissues wake up lets the repair cycle start immediately. Over time, that consistency translates into steadier steps, stronger thigh support, and hands that feel grounded again instead of flickering with unpredictable numbness. And the best part? Papaya works gently, no harsh spikes, no digestive strain, just a steady, restoring push toward the strength you thought aging had taken away for good. If this video helped you understand your body even a little more, make sure you hit subscribe, tap like, and, most importantly, share it with someone you care about, because you never know who's waking up every day with the same tingling hands or weak legs you're trying to fix. And if there's any topic you want me to break down next, just drop it in the comments so I can make the exact video you need. To sum it up, ignoring these signals after 60 always comes with a cost: slower reactions, shakier steps, and a gradual loss of strength that becomes harder to reverse the longer you wait. These fruits give your body the raw materials it's desperately asking for, and your future mobility depends on whether you act now or let the decline continue. And while you wait for the next video, go watch the one I've placed on your screen. It'll give you even more tools to protect your strength and independence.